PDP Rajya Sabha members Fayaz and Nazir Ahmed Laway held protest inside the parliament premises on Monday against scrapping of special status to the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. Holding placards against the abrogation of the provisions of Article 370, the two MPs urged the government to respect the special status of the region. The Modi government had on August 5 revoked the special status granted to the erstwhile state under Article 370 of the Indian Constitution. PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti continues to remain under house arrest since the August 5 when the decision was taken.